I want to store some user's name, so I could use variables. Then let's say str name as a string and assign value str name equal Alex. Okay. Actually, I want to store two names. Let's say name 1 and another one maybe in separated line, then str name. Maybe better to make something like that too as a string. Okay. 1 control drag to copy, number 2 max. I want to store more. Again, I have to create next one. 3 Jessica, and 4 and 5 and goings on. So that's not the solution. If you want to store multiple values of same type, we're using array. So instead of that, I say str name and open parentheses from 1 to 3 as an example as a string. Now I could say str name, and because our array has index now, you have to specify which one. I say 1 equal Alex, str name 2 equal max, str name index 3 equal to Jessica. Let's run to make sure it is working. There is no error, so it is fine. How can I show as an example the second one? Again, very simple. I'm just saying message box str name which index, second one, and there it is, max 3 Jessica, and so on. And now I could use that to get, for example, 5 names of users via input box. I say from 1 to 5 and define a variable for counter, then I as integer for I from 1 to 5. Next str name which index, of course, by the counter of I. So I, first one it is 1, next time 2, 3, 4 and 5 equal input box, open the parentheses. I think I had typo, input box. Okay, please enter a name. All right, and we're filling that, and after that I could print them or type them or anything like that. Allow me to make another loop for typing those values, again for I from 1 to 5, and next, and we say selection dot type text, and let's say text equal to str name index I. Alright, let's go to the Microsoft Word, developer macros, and run our macro. Oops, sorry, I forgot to add colon. Okay, macro run. First name Sam, second name Jessica, third name John and Monica, and finally Andrea. Okay, and there it is. I forgot to add some other stuff like carriage return or paragraph mark, so it is nice to do that and use ampersand VBA CR. I think this is better. Let's run again. Run the macro. Alexa, Alexis, Alex, Max, and Sam. Okay, and there it is. So storing multiple values as the same type, we could use arrays, again, dim, the array name, and define the range from 1 to 5 as a string. But how about if we need unlimited times, or we don't know user gonna enter 1 time or 10 times or 100 times? Although we could define very long array, but actually we have another solution, which it is dynamic array, which in the next video I will talk about that.